Got me one, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Cleaned up the crib just in the nick of time. How you doing, little mama? You know what I'm saying? What you doing flying over my way? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Where you going, little mama? You know what I'm saying? Let me holler at you for a little minute.
I
You
ain't
know what I'm
going
saying?
nowhere. I'm just
Let
going
you know
over
what I'm
here. It's so
about. You
wet
know what I'm
over there.
saying? You know, just a few little things. You know what I'm saying about me.
Oh my God, this nigga ain't talking about
Okay, so
shit.
you one of them, you know what I'm saying? And you know, I'm gonna just let you know you in my crib, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show you a little respect. I see you ain't used to it, but don't get it twisted, you know what I'm saying? Because I got them yellow eyes like my daddy eyes, you know what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted, you know what I'm saying? But let me show you a little something, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? A little something special, you know what I'm saying? They don't even make church hats like this, my girl, you know what I'm saying? I got a little two steps, you know what I'm saying? I can show you a little something, you know what I'm saying? Guess you know what I'm saying? They don't dance no more. They don't dance no more. You know what I'm saying? But you can't do it like me. Nope, but you can't do
Hey,
it like
he's
me.
showing
Nope,
out.
but you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? You like that, don't you?
You
You
ain't
know what I'm
gonna
saying?
lie,
I
I'm
know
fucking
you
with you.
do. And my hair longer than yours, but you need extensions for this. All right, now you finna fuck it up. You ain't had to say all that though.